Welcome back to Immigration Insight. Australia remains a top choice for qualified immigrants seeking a higher standard of living and numerous career options. Among the pathways available for skilled workers is the Skilled Work Regional, Provisional, Visa, subclass 491, commonly referred to as the 491 visa. Overview of the 491 visa. As of 2024, the 491 visa continues to be a popular option for those willing to live and work in specific regional locations in Australia. This visa allows skilled individuals and their families to reside, work, and study in designated regional areas for up to 5 years. Additionally, it serves as a potential bridge to permanent residency by meeting specific requirements while residing in regional Australia on the subclass 191 visa. Benefits and limitations of the 491 visa. The 491 visa enables skilled workers in remote regions to experience the Australian dream. However, it is not a direct path to citizenship. To apply for permanent residency, holders must meet specific wage criteria and live in a designated region for 3 years. 491 visa eligibility criteria. To be eligible for the 491 visa, applicants must meet several criteria. Nomination or sponsorship. Candidates must be sponsored by a qualifying family member living in a specified geographic area or nominated by an Australian state or territory government agency. Skills assessment. A positive skills evaluation is required for a profession listed on the applicable skilled occupation list. Each occupation has a separate evaluating authority, and candidates must obtain a valid assessment before applying. Expression of interest, EOI, and points test. Interested candidates must submit an EOI using the Skill Select system. Applicants must score at least 65 points, determined by factors such as age, educational background, English language proficiency, and work experience. Age and English language proficiency. Candidates must be under 45 at the time of invitation and demonstrate a minimum level of competency in English with an appropriate test score. Application process for the 491 visa. The application process for the Australia 491 visa involves 5 steps. Expression of interest, EOI. Submit an EOI via Skill Select, an online platform that allows the Department of Home Affairs and state governments to review prospective migrants' profiles. Include information about qualifications, job history, and skills in the EOI. State or territory nomination. After submitting an EOI, candidates may seek nomination from a state or territory government. Requirements and occupation listings vary by state and territory and are subject to change, so it's important to stay updated. Invitation to apply. If the EOI is accepted, the applicant will receive an invitation to apply for the visa. Invitations are sometimes extended based on the applicant's point total and the demand for their occupation. Application for visa. Upon receiving the invitation, the applicant has 60 days to complete the online visa application process, including submitting necessary documentation. Visa decision. After submission, the application will be reviewed, with processing times varying. Applicants can track the status of their application online. Life with a 491 visa. One of the significant advantages of the 491 visa is the flexibility to live, work, and study in regional Australia. It also allows unrestricted movement to and from Australia during the visa's validity period. This video provides a comprehensive overview of the 491 visa process and its 5-step application procedure. Please share your opinions in the comments section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell for updates on job and immigration news. Good luck!